Coucou mes amis, hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys on how I draw my eyebrows. Yes, basically guys, this video is for those of you that have tattoo on your eyebrows that struggle to draw your eyebrows. So in today's video I'll be showing you a very simple way to draw on a tattoo. So without taking much of your time guys, let's jump right to the video. You what I use for my eyebrows, what the products, the things I use while trying to draw my eyebrows. So the first thing we'll be needing is your brow pencil of your choice, but for me I prefer using this particular, so I will be using this my concealer from Maybelline. Yes, I'll be using this concealer. And the third thing you will be needing is your brush. Yes, you'll be needing a very fluffy, as you can see, concealer brush to clean up your brows. Drawing the brows, you will definitely need a brush, a concealer, so that you can clean it up. In any areas that you mistake, you can just easily clean everything. So guys, in this part I will be using my Eyebrow foundation to clean up the up of my brows, because you need something that is the same color with your skin to clean up on top of your brow. I will advise not to use concealer, bright concealer, to clean up the up of your brows. As you can see, the foundation I'm using is same color, with almost the same color with my skin. So that's it guys, so keep on watching. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Basically guys, this is how I draw my eyebrows. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Hope you learned something from this. I hope it's very simple. If you find this video interested guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe if you haven't already. See you on my next one. Bye bye.
What's the English name for pomo?
Pomo? Is it not pomo?
Are you asking me?
Is it meat for the abacha? I've not heard of it.
No problem.